We're going to walk you through how easy it is to install FloorPops Hexagon tiles. Here's what you'll need: a completely smooth, flat, clean, and dry floor, a utility knife, a straight edge, and your FloorPops Hexagon tiles. For concrete and plywood subfloors, you'll also need the FloorPops adhesive primer and a short nap paint roller or a coarse brush. Before you start, make sure all of your tiles are from the same batch. Batch numbers are on the back of each box of tiles near the barcode. For best results, allow your FloorPops to acclimate to the temperature of the room where you're installing them for at least 48 hours. We also recommend lifting your existing baseboards to install the tiles flush to your walls. For concrete and plywood subfloors, use our FloorPops primer for a superior bond. Use a short nap paint roller or a coarse brush to apply the adhesive primer to your floor. Apply a liberal and even coating, ensuring there are no puddles or excess primer once spread evenly. Allow the primer to dry thoroughly for approximately 30 to 90 minutes. Pro tip: you can trim the excess backing paper from the tiles to make laying them out easier. Now we'll map out the tiles. Start from the center of the room, and with the backing still on, lay your tiles out. Rotate and swap around tiles to find the best design match. Note that not all of our designs have an exact pattern match. You can move your layout around as needed before trimming to avoid tricky to cut pieces. Use your utility knife and straight edge to trim the pieces into small spaces or along wall edges. Simply score the tile where you'd like to cut it and bend to snap in half. With your layout mapped out, move back to the center of the room. Remove the backing from a central tile and firmly press it into place. Install the next matching tile tightly against the side of the first tile. Keep repeating this process until your floors are completely transformed. FloorPops, your fastest way to a new floor.